Located in the commune of Castres-sur-Gironde, in the heart of the finest appellation of Graves, the Château Ferrand was bought by the Castel family in 1992. The domain extends over 97 hectares, 90 for the red and 7 for the white. The Château Ferrand have a very beautiful terroir with Gunstian gravel, only found in the best Grand Cru classé of the appellation. The vineyards are planted with 50% of Merlot and 50% of Cabernet Sauvignon for the red, and 60% of Sauvignon Gris, included 30% of Sauvignon Gris and 40% of Semillon. The proportion of Sauvignon Gris is higher than usual in the appellation because in Ferrand we have made the choice to use it a lot of to make a unique and characteristic bouquet to our white. Despite a very dry spring season with high pluviometry rates and worryingly dry summer, the latest rain of August and cooler nights have allowed the beautiful maturity of the grape and made harvest in the ideal conditions. So we can say that 2019 is a vintage which we are very proud in Château Ferrand. The red is a classical blend of our property with 50% of Merlot and 50% of Cabernet Sauvignon. We have a lot of freshness of red fruits, a distinctive trait of this 2019 vintage. The vintage is a very pleasure and charming vintage. Easy to drink, young, but favorable to be kept in your cellar too, because of its beautiful structure. For the right, we make a considerable work to choose fruit juice by one and make a lot of inerting. The blend of the Ferrand wine is classical too for the Château Ferrand, because of a majority of Sauvignon, including 35% of Sauvignon Gris and 40% of Semillon. The Sauvignon Gris brought a lot of notes of exotic fruits and passion fruit, and Sauvignon, the acidity and complexity and lemon note for this vintage, and the Semillon, the roundness, the boldness of the grape. To conclude, I would like to say that in Château Ferrand this year we harvested after the other people of the appellation, because our vineyards will be very was resisted very well to the very particularly dry season, and we were able to have harvesting in the best condition. For us, 2019 is a vintage full of promise, with aromatic and beautiful fresh fruit and complexity to make very beautiful wine and big wine.